So here we are, guys. I'm out here with my dad on a Monday fixing the side of this building. So we've done ripped off this piece of plywood here, and what we've got to do is we've made one to match that, and we got to put it in there. So final shot when we're done. Hopefully you guys like this construction stuff. Giving it a shot. This is what I do in my spare time. All right, guys, so here we go. You get to meet my pop. Say hello to Art. This is my father. This is the man with the plan who knows everything and anything you could need to know about construction. And this is the job that we just finished. Just got to do some small nailing and caulking, but we had to replace this panel and the trim. Hope you boys enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe for more.